dear audience and global financial partner. Good evening. We are well known in the situation of Bangladesh. Last financial budget 6 June 2024 7.9 lakh crore. But after post July August uprising, there are not a specific budget information and or governance, financial plan, data, etc. Though till date, till now, today's 15 May contains as Mr. Yunus handling, but hopefully it will change within short dozen of people there internationally. Some bans and sanctions because undermine democracy, human rights, corruption, lack of responsibility, and with many more, and which is already documented and proved and under processing. Though till date, as per recorded, I am showing upcoming budget. Though funny, but we are continue running. That's why I present you all of you today scenario, but we must overcome, inshallah. Sorry. Financial year 2025 2026 2025 2026 budget to presented June 2025 or tentatively financial year 2026 to 2007 post LDC graduation. No official financial 2025-2006 budget exists yet. So this forward-looking analysis is based on government signals. Interim Finance Minister's October 2024 statements post Sheikh Hasina's govt change. IMF extended credit facilities. ECF reviews third trends December 2024 and revised financial year 25 budget deficit cut to 3.5% GDP. Macro projection. World Bank October 2024 macro projection. World Bank 2024 4.0% financial year 2025 growth. ADB 6.5% financial year 2026. Bangladesh Bank reserves USD 22 billion. Inflation 7 to 8%. LDC graduation November 2026. Key themes: stabilization, reforms for LDC exist, tariff-free access laws, political transition under Yunus administration. Assumptions: financial year 2025 to 2026 budget BDT 8.5 to 9 lakh crore. I repeat, assumptions: financial year 2025 to 2026, not upcoming, previous, but assumption BDT 8.5 to 9 lakh crores, focusing on revenue, mobilization, tax, GDP to 11%, export diversification, and debt management. External debt 25% GDP by 2026. Strength. Internal advantages for recovery. Reform momentum. IMF mandated IMF mandated banking cleanup, NPL resolution via BDT 20,000 crore fund, and tax base expansion. Forex, property or wealth taxes could rise revenue 15 to 20%, building on financial year 25's digital TIN or AIT system, advanced income tax system. Human capital focus. Continue high social spending, 25 to 28% budget, with educational or health boost. Forex, universal stipends, Taka 1.5 lakh crore safety nets to leverage 65% working age population. Infrastructure continuity. Mega project Rupur Paira Port Phase 2 near completion. ADP BDT 2.8 lakh crore with public-private partnership emphasize reduces fiscal strain. Evidence. Post August 2024 reforms stabilized reserves up 10% QOQ. Financial year 2025 ADP utilization target 85% via e-procurement. Weaknesses. Internal challenges persisting. Fiscal pressure. Deficit 4% GDP requires BDT 3.5 to 4 lakh crore borrowing. Interest payments 15% revenue amid 10% plus domestic rate. Revenue shortfalls. Informal economy 50% GDP. Revenue shortfalls in informal economy 50% GDP limits tax collection. VAT reforms delayed, risking financial year 2026 shortfall political buy in lakhs. Implementation gaps. Corruption. CPI 25/100 and capacity issues in new government could delay reforms. Historical. ADP underspending -20%. Evidence. Financial year 2025 revenue target missed by 5%. Bangladesh Bank data. Banking recap needs USD 2 to 3 billion. Though this is unofficially, I just inform all of you. So upcoming budget, the previous budget is not exist, where upcoming budget is but inshallah we will overcome somehow, I hope. I pray to wish all of you cooperation, collaboration, and for the humanity, our internal stabilization, democracy, and human rights, along with regional stability, trade, peace, and prosperity. All of you support us. I appreciate advance. Thank you so much.